Let's take a look at how to create a test or quiz. First, locate and click on the quizzes link in the menu bar on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click on the Assignments tab in the menu bar along the top of your screen, and then choose the option for Test. Next, click the Create button. You are now ready to begin creating your first test or quiz. Let's begin by giving your test a name. And then provide a brief description and any instructions that students might need for taking this test. When you are done, click Submit. Before going any further, please find the tab along the top menu bar that says Question Settings. Sections 4 and 5 are crucial on this page because they allow you to designate default points, provide partial credit, and choose how you would like your test to be displayed. When you are done making changes, please click Submit. Now that your tests and settings have been created, you are ready to begin creating the test questions. Within each test, questions can be given in multiple formats, meaning you can create a test that contains multiple choice, true and false, and essay questions all within the same test. When adding the questions to your test, you will need to add each question one at a time. One trick to saving time for this step is to have all of the questions and answers laid out before you, either in written form or printed out. This makes creating questions a lot faster and reduces the chance of making errors. To begin adding questions to a test, click the Create Question tab in the menu bar along the top and select the format you would like this test to be in. No matter which option you choose, in Area 1 you will always need to enter the question name, such as Question 1. You will then need to complete the rest of the areas by entering the test questions, any answers, any feedback that you may or may not want to provide to your students, and then click Submit. Continue repeating this process until you have added all of the questions you plan on using for this test. Once you are done adding questions, in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, click OK. You will then be taken to a screen that has a box called Add an Existing Test. The test you just created should appear here. Click on it and hit Submit. You will now be taken to a screen called Test Options. This page is crucial to creating a test because it allows you to create all of the settings that you need. There are a lot of settings that can be configured here if you would like to make some customizations to your test, but let me take a minute to highlight some of the most important settings. First, if you added a description or instructions when you initially created this test, please be sure to select the box in Area 1 that allows students to see the description and instructions before they start a test. This is especially important if you have a timed test. In Area 2, please select the option to make this test link available. If you would like to create an announcement, you can do that here. Also in Test 2, please determine if you would like a forced completion, meaning if you would like students to take the test all in one sitting. Then determine if you would like to set a timer, such as for 30 minutes. And when that time is up, if you would like the students to be able to continue taking it, or if you would like that test to be automatically submitted. If you would like this test to appear on your calendar, please enter a due date in Area 4. If you do not want students to be allowed to take the test after this due date, please make sure you select that option. Section 6 allows you to specify which type of feedback, if any, you would like students to have once they have taken the test. In Section 7, you will be able to make some other customizations. Finally, when you are done, click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will now see that your test appears under the Quizzes section. Students are now ready to take this quiz.